What are the consequences of a system that doesn't provide quality food that's accessible and affordable and people are paid fair wages? What are the consequences of that system? And then ultimately we get to, if we face the consequences, we get to the implications. Well, what's implied? If we have it backwards, what's implied to turn it right side up? And that's the hard work. That's where assembly is required. How do you get into the nuances of transformation? Where does the transformation have to occur so that more people are growing their own food, or more people who grow their own food get it to people who can access that food? Because the underbelly of the need for a good food movement is the fact that our current food system is grounded in the exploitation, the exclusion, and in some cases the abuse of far too many diverse populations. The people who grow the food, who used to grow the food, who pick the food, and who serve the food in our country are the people who are paid the least, who work the hardest, and are not acknowledged as and ultimately, the ultimate injustice, usually have the least access to the quality food. And so the issue of food equity is right at the heart of our work. Now, we didn't always express that as a central tenet of the work. There has been an evolution to that, and that evolution will continue. So in our efforts to connect dots, part of what we have to do is to connect the dots between food inequity, health inequity, and racial inequity.